Remind me, everybody, never to use that pan again for cookies. And yeah, they aren't rock solid. That's what the inside looks like. I put another batch in, and I used a cup to take and flatten them. So let's see how these come out. I gotta say, they look a lot better now, don't they? Compared to that. Look at that. Yummy. And I wanted to tell y'all real quick that even if you're new, let us know that, like, what's going on. Like, because just coming into people's chats and typing random nastiness isn't cool, people. So, I mean, nobody on my channel has done it lately. Y'all been really good, but for the trolls that are just trolling me and watching me and not commenting and possibly gonna use my videos against me, like I've had to report a couple of them in the past, I'm not worried about it. Y'all know who you are, and y'all need to stop. So be nice to one another and help one another out. I don't hate any of you. I love y'all, and I'm glad you're here, and I'm glad we're building a good, supportive channel that helps one another out. I just want to keep it going in that right direction, not in the wrong direction. I don't want to take it in that wrong direction. So let's go back to the positives. And I'm going to devour one of these cookies in a minute. Yay, it came out right. Let's try it. These are good. Yeah.